Tang, Wú Tang, Wú Tang is on your brain. Back with another big new ranked duos on update 3.5. Shadow and Molly Woo. Second starboard jump and roll. Oh yeah. Yeah, I just seen him over on the other side. Good stuff. Yeah, we got one inside too. Oh, I shot that fool out of the air with them boys. Really? I have a first aid kit if you come over here. I got two of them. We can buy some too. I got 6 tokens. That Nutcracker is above us as well. If you want to go and hit that. No? Go check it out. I got a with one magazine. Oh, I'll take this M. Well, actually, it's a QBZ, but I will take it for now. Do you have a Oh yeah, that's right. Damn, I just ran over a level 3 helmet. Oh, look at this. I got me a little Nutcracker in here. Hell yeah. What one did you get? What color was he? Hell yeah. I just had a green one. I got a. I dropped a AUG. I got a lot of ammo as well. Yeah. Okay. I gotta drop some 7s or 5s rather. I dropped 5s up here. Yeah. Good shit. I'm coming. I spot a AK. Where is he? Where you running? Oh, I just heard him. Back behind there. I'm I'm set. I'm ready to go whenever you are. Looks like we have a bike here. Oh shit, yeah, man. I just found a 3-bag. You'd love to see it. Look for some type of DMR, SKS. Hell yeah, you need a 4X? Yeah, that's what I have. Thank you, my love. Alright, go buy a muzzle brake and I'm ready to fucking boogie, I suppose. I don't need anything else. You need anything else? Yo, another fucking dude, my second golden frickin' butt slammer. Hell yeah. Full head of Self AED. Groza? Wah! Do you need a 3-bag? Hell yeah. Yo, let's go. That's what's up. Ha ha. Alright, well, let me buy I guess a suppressor for this Groza, I suppose. There's so many damn 7s up here. I probably should have picked some more of them up. I had better. Alrighty. What vehicular was it? Yeah, better than a Noah's. You ever been on one of them? Suspension's horrible. Bang, bang, bang. We need some gasoline in this beast. Let's see. What's open? Yaz? Might as well go hunt down in Yaz. Oh shit. Yeah. There's a plane way out 170. Do we go through Yaz or chase this drop at 165? Alright. Surprised you with a Woo wagon too. Oh hell yeah. Was that a vehicle I heard behind us or am I tripping? I don't know. Okay, that drop was like 170 though, so we want to shoot in that direction. Oh shit. Man, damn invisible walls, man. PUBG's screwing up the church's money. Oh shit. I knew we'd find it if we just keep driving. Think there's got to be some friends to hit it by now. Oh, shoot. Hit it up, my love. Did you get you a girls or two? Yeah. We can go straight to this one here in Milta. Hmm. What the fuck? Oh. Oh, shit. I'm having trouble going backwards. Okay, now we need the damn fuel station. Oh, shit. Great. Well, that's just delightful. Well, that's enjoyable. Yeah. Yeah, let's go to that damn garage and go grab us a woo wagon. There's a drop at like 70. It's another drop right there. Oh, that's the one we hit earlier. Where were we? 70. What? What's ooh? Hmm. Oh, you love to see it. Oh, well, that's always enjoyable. Jeez, man. You love to see it. Oh, I see him. You love to see him. Oh, somebody even closer. Good stuff. Another Groza. Is there anything else? No. They really screwed Milta Power up when they took the damn store out of it. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Put a bunch of damn sevens in here. Put a bunch of nines in here as well. Grab them. There's more here. No, I'm talking about here. Yeah. I can grab some more real quick. No. I would have if I did, though. I'd have been like, ooh, you hear that? It's a double step. Let's say, where the hell do we hunt now? Head over to. Did we just take a shot? I thought I heard a tick. I only got one damn kill. See if there's anybody hanging around the joint. Oh, shit. Oh, yep, we're sending it. Oh, cool. Glad we didn't have to send it. Oh, there is somebody down there, huh? Your mark disappeared, so I don't know where the hell they are. Over there? Oh, I see him. He's right there. Hit his ass, too. Haha. He kept ego peeking. Like, I'm going to keep shooting, bro. That's why you stay out of prison, kids. Nothing good comes in prison. Could always be some crazy bastards outside of your cell shooting at you. Big render. Bet you somebody's in here. Oh, friends. At like 2:35. Pop this damn syringe. Okay, where are our friends? This way, eh? Well, you guys are too lively, if I'm honest. Okay, they're this way. Yep. There, I see them right here. Dead ahead of us right here. Oh, they're hitters. Holy shit, you just fucked them up. Good shit. Oh! They had the things. We're gonna have to get some fucking gas. Or a new vehicle. Cause our shit is hurting. For certain. I got 78 damn tokens. We're gonna hightail it to the gas station. Hopefully, be able to repair our business here. Oh God! Oh, yep. We'll be back, guys. We'll be back. Oh man, we're racing against time. In and out of here as quick as we can. Shit. Come on, repair it. Give me the button. There we go. All right, it's ready. You love to see it. All right, now where were we? Where were those bastards at? 310, huh? They're good numbers. Maybe we will see them. Oh, friends. Oh man. Oh shit. Here's a guy right here. I was hitting that fool upstairs. All right, I'm healing up. Shit. Yep. Hold on, dude.
There's a story.
Whew, hell yeah, dude. That's pretty dope.
I got it for free.
Oh, we're getting pushed. That's pretty sweet,
I
dude.
got it for free for being #1 in Best Buy cards.
Hell yeah.
Citibank, so they gave me an Xbox and a game.
Hell yeah, dude.
I'm gonna sell it, but you know.
Hell yeah.
I thought it was pretty dope.
Yes, sir. All right, where's this other freaking guy? I gotta drop 2 of these first aids. Why do I got 6? All right, I'm grabbing our car. Okay. Ah, shit. We're just gonna have to push this guy. Yep, they're up here. Where the fuck was he shooting at? Little rat bastard. There he is. Oh no, that was a fucking. Damn, what's it called? Where's this dickhead at? Yeah, you motherfucker. Motherfucker. Yep. He's right here. In here. Oh, man. We're fucked now. Motherfucker. Shit. Yeah, he got fucked up. I thought that I blew it because I had I thought I blew it, man. All right. Shit. I need it. Wasn't there an airdrop right over here? Oh, that didn't feel great. Oh, there's a guy dead ahead. Dead ahead. Right smack in front of me. What's up, bud? Oh, get down here, get down here, get down here, get down here, get down here. Shoot this guy. Shoot this guy. Shoot this guy. Yep, okay. Yep. Reload. Shoot this motherfucker. Okay. Gotta get over here. Gotta get over here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, that's bad. This is bad. This is not actually good. You know what? Fuck that guy. That guy's a chump. I'd rather fight this guy here. There we go. That was cool. Okay. Yeah. Oh shit. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay. Hop out. Prone. Get up. Shoot him in the face. All right. I don't know. Son of a bitch shot my damn car though. Oh, look at this asshole. I'm a big potato. Should have used DP for him. Bang, bang. GG's, my love. I'm glad I got to kill that smarmy mouth bastard that got you. You love to see it.